Come and play. Come and learn with Yuvi. It's fun learning. Mom says learning something new every day makes us stronger. A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat. Learning is fun.
Wait, what's happening?
Yuvi, your learning journey is about to begin.
Who are you?
Select all 26 letters and unlock the golden star of learning.
Okay. I'm ready to learn from A to Z. A to Z! Wow, this place is beautiful. Where am I?
Welcome to Alphabet World, Yuvi.
Alphabet World?
Collect every letter from A to Z.
I will! Let's find the first letter. Wow, so many apples! Letter A.
A is for apple. A is for apple.
Apples are healthy and yummy. A is for apple. Now let's find the next letter. Ooh, a playground!
B.
B is for ball.
B is for ball.
Balls are fun to play with. A is for apple, B is for ball. Let's find the next letter. This garden is so pretty.
Meow.
This is the third letter, C. C is for cat. Cats are soft and gentle. A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat. Let's find the next letter. Wow, a beautiful pond.
Quack.
D. D is for duck. Ducks love to swim in water. A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, D is for duck. Let's find the next letter.
Wow, look at that big eagle flying so high.
E is for eagle. The eagle flies high and strong. The eagle teaches us to be brave and never give up. E for eagle. Let's fly high in our dreams. Let's find the next letter. Wow, look at all these colorful fish. F is for fish. Fish love to swim in water. Fish breathe in water and move their tails to swim. F for fish. Let's swim and learn together. Wow, look at this tall animal. G is for giraffe. Giraffes have very long necks. They use their long necks to reach high leaves. G for giraffe, so tall and gentle. G for giraffe, great job. Let's go find the next letter now. Oh wow, what is that? H is for heart. Our heart helps us feel love and kindness. When we are kind and help others, our heart feels happy. H for heart. Always choose love and kindness. Let's go find the next letter now. Wow, everything is so cold and shiny. I is for ice. Ice is frozen water. Ice feels very cold and slippery. I for ice, so cool and shiny. Let's go find the next letter now. Wow, so many yummy fruits. J is for juice. Juice is made from fruits. Juice is healthy and gives us energy. J for juice, fresh and yummy. Let's go find the next letter now. Wow, what a beautiful windy day. K is for kite. A kite flies high in the sky. The wind helps the kite fly up and up. K for kite. Let your dreams fly high. Let's go find the next letter now. Wow, what a beautiful flower. L is for lotus. The lotus grows in water. The lotus blooms so beautifully. L for lotus, so lovely and bright. Let's go find the next letter now. Wow, so many juicy mangoes. M is for mango. Mango is a sweet fruit. Mangoes are juicy and delicious. M for mango, my favorite fruit. Let's go find the next letter now. What is that up in the tree? N is for nest. Birds live in a nest. The nest keeps baby birds safe and warm. N for nest, a safe home for birds. Let's go find the next letter now. Wow, look at that amazing sea animal. O is for octopus. An octopus has 8 arms. Octopuses can change colors to hide. O for octopus, so smart and amazing. Let's go find the next letter now. Wow, what a beautiful bird. P is for peacock. Peacocks spread their feathers to look beautiful and attract attention. P for peacock, so colorful and beautiful. Let's go find the next letter now. Wow, this place looks so royal. Q is for queen. A queen is a kind and strong leader. Q for queen, kind and royal. Let's go find the next letter now. Aww. R is for rabbit. Rabbits love to hop and eat carrots. R for rabbit, so cute and fast. Let's go find the next letter now. Oh, something is moving on the tree. S is for snake. Snakes slither on the ground. S for snake, smooth and slithery. Let's go find the next letter now. Wow, look at that big train.
T is for train. Trains travel on tracks and carry people.
T for train, choo-choo. Let's go find the next letter now. Oh no, it's starting to rain.
U is for umbrella.
Umbrellas keep us dry in the rain. U for umbrella, stay dry. Let's go find the next letter now. Wow, what a beautiful instrument. V is for violin. A violin makes beautiful music. V for violin. Listen to the music. Let's go find the next letter now.
Wow, that looks yummy.
W is for watermelon.
Watermelon is sweet and juicy.
W for watermelon. Yum yum. Let's go find the next letter now. Wow, look at this colorful instrument. X is for xylophone. A xylophone makes happy sounds. X for xylophone. Ting ting. Let's go find the next letter now. Wow, a spinning yo-yo.
Y is for yo-yo.
A yo-yo goes down and comes back up. Y for yo-yo, spin and play. Let's go find the last letter now. Hi there, zebra. You're so cool.
Z is for zebra.
A zebra has black and white stripes. Z for zebra. We learned all the letters from A to Z. Wow, it's time to go home. Goodbye, letters. Time for a new adventure. That was so much fun! If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more educational adventures.